Hello everyone. As part of today's session, we are going to discussing about strings concept in PHP. So string nothing but collection of characters. Okay. So in case of PHP, so strings we can either represent with single quote, double quotes, or by using here tag. So let us say we are having one variable called str. To str, so suppose we want to here write down one string called hello csc. So that hello csc, so either you can here represent within single quote, or the same even you can here represent so within double quotes also. Okay. So either by using single quotes or double quotes we can here create in case of our PHP strings concept. So let us say within so single quotes itself, if you want to here enclose single quotes, let us say here we want to write down something like so string str equal to so hello, so then followed by single quote, then followed by csc. So whenever we want to write down or store such kind of string within one of the string variable, so using single quote itself, then in that case, so you need to here enclose the entire string within single quotes, and whatever the string that you want, whatever the single quote that you want to keep as part of string text, so that should be here preceded with slash symbol here. Okay, so that so here within the str, so hello, then followed by here single quote, then followed by csc will be stored here. The same kind of logic will be applied for even double quotes also. Then finally, so strings we can also here created with the help of here doc statement. So here doc statements whenever we are going to be using, so here we need to write down, so suppose we want to write down the string using multiple lines here. Let us say we want to here write down so welcome csc, so this is WIT lab, so thank you. So that kind of strings you want to store here, so where text has been spread among multiple lines here. So these kind of strings we can store using here tag. So str equal to so dollar str equal to, so you can write down as first here doc, then followed by that we need to here write down three angular braces, which is indicating that it is a here doc. Then we need to write down here one template, so something like a token which indicates the beginning. Okay, so before this one we need to keep double quote starting. So at the end again we need to write down here the same token, that is template here. Then we need to end with a semicolon here. Okay, so here the token template is going to representing the beginning of the entire string. So this template again at the ending is going to here representing that so string has been here ended and we stored within str itself. So like that, so strings we can here represent either by using single quote or double quotes, or by using here doc within PHP strings here. Okay, so then followed by that we will see what are the different types of string functions we are having within PHP language. So for time being I have already written the function name and the syntax, and as well as the purpose of each and every string functions whatever we are having in PHP. Okay, the first one if you see here, so str length function. So string length function is going to taking only a single argument which is a string, and it is going to returning the length of the string here. So length of the string nothing but it is going to indicating number of characters present in that particular string here. So then followed by that, so str underscore word count function we are having. So here to that one we are going to passing one string as an argument, which is going to be here returning so totally how many number of words we are going to be having within the given string here. So then followed by that, so str reverse of str, so nothing but string reverse function we are going to using here in order to reverse the given string here. So suppose we are giving here csc, it will give the result as esc here. Okay, so then followed by that one, in order to convert into given string into either lowercase or into uppercase, we are going to using the function called str to lower, str to upper. So for both we need to pass one single argument as an string as an argument here. Okay, so then let us say suppose you want to here so store or we have to here replace some particular set of characters from the given string with some another string here. So let us say so we are having here so string as hello CSC. So from CSC you want to here replace that CSC with ECE. So CSC replace with ECE. So means here if you observe given string is str. Okay, so from the str string hello CSC we have to here replace CSC with ECE. Means so source string nothing but here CSC, destination characters nothing but here ECE. So from which string means from the str string here. So that is how we are going to using str underscore replace. Then followed by that UC first. So whenever we are going to passing one string as an argument for UC first, from the entire string only the first character of the string it is going to converting into uppercase. Then UC words nothing but, so whenever we are going to passing one string as an argument for UC words, it is going to converting only first character of each and every word as into uppercase here. So then, so whenever you want to here compare two strings whether they are equal or unequal, so then in that case we have to here use str underscore cmp function, sorry, str cmp function we need to use here. So for which we need to pass two strings as an argument. So here it will check if str1 equal to str2. So if it is true, so then it is going to returning 0. Okay, so if str1 is greater than str2, then it will return 1. If str1 is less than str2, then it will return -1. So then followed by that, so we are having str underscore position string, position string function here. Okay, so this string function we are going to be using here. So for searching whether a particular substring is available within a given string or not here. So if it is existing, in that case from the substring whatever the first character we are having, it is located at which particular position within the string, it is going to be returning as the outcome here. Let us say, so we are having str. So the str we are going to having is hello something like CSC. Okay, so from this one you want to here find out CSC exists at what position or which position. Okay, so that one you can find out here something like using str underscore position. So the string we are having is str, so $str. So then which one you want to find out here whether existing or not? The substring called CSC. So since within the given string hello CSC, CSC is located at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6th position, it is going to returning the output as 6 here. Okay, so always string index will begin from 0. Okay, so then strip tags. So strip tags we are going to using for removing within the one HTML statement whatever the tags we are going to be having here. Okay, so then followed by that one, so here we are going to having the last function called dot. So dot function we are going to be using for concatenating the both strings. Okay, so now we are going to seeing what with one example. String demo dot php, I gave the file name. Okay, so then here you have to write down html/html. so then from that one take two section header and as well as /head. So then body section, so the within the header section give as title php strings /title. So then within the body, so write down opening PHP tag, then closing PHP tag. So here as part of this I am going to here writing two string str1 $str1 equal to, so something like I am giving as hello CSC. Okay, so then $str2 I am giving as hello ECE. Okay, so this one, let us say we want to take in capital letters. Okay, so now we are going to applying each and every string operation for all these two strings. Okay, so echo. So first we will start with concatenation. After concatenating $str1 with $str2, the resultant string is $str1 dot $str2. Use the break statement at the ending. Okay, so then after concatenating $str1 with $str2, to see the output, so here localhost, so then slash, so string demo dot php. String demo. So here. Oh, we saved as text document. So string demo. Sorry, we saved under. We need to actually save under htdocs. Under htdocs, so string demo dot php, all files. So now run this one. So string demo. So if you see here, after concatenating hello CSC with, so actually here with hello ECE, the resultant string what we got is hello CSC, hello ECE. Okay, so then after that one we can apply the next one, length of the string. So echo string $str1 length is strlen of $str1. So then use break statement. Okay, so if you observe the output, you will get here string hello CSC length is use here comma, so then break. Okay, you got the output as 9 here. So within hello CSC we are having totally so 9 number of characters. Okay, so then after that one, so then take the next functions whatever we are having. So here you can take str underscore word underscore count function. Okay, so here we can write down as echo the number of words in $str2 is are string word underscore count of $str2 comma, use break here. Okay, and see the output. The number of words in hello ECE are 2. Hello is one word, ECE is another word. Okay, so then followed by that, so take the next one, so string reverse. Okay, so we will reverse the first string, echo string $str1 in reverse order is str underscore reverse of $str1. Then use break statement. So then see the output. So something we are having here. So here we should not. So directly we need to here separate with comma. Okay. So we got string hello CSC in reverse order is ESC space OLLEH. Okay. So then after that one, so we have to go with 2 upper and 2 lower. Okay, so first we will convert the string 1 into uppercase and string 2 into lowercase. Okay, so here we can write down as, so string $str1 in upper case format is, here we need to write down as str2 upper of $str1. Okay, so see the result here. String hello CSC in uppercase format is hello CSC in caps case. Okay, so then after that one, so same you can apply for string 2. Okay, string 2 in lowercase format. Okay, lowercase format is str2 lower of $str2. Okay, so now see the output. You got hello EC in lowercase letter. So then followed by that we are having UC first and UC words. Okay, so now, okay, so converting first character of $str1 into uppercase. The resultant string will get is UC first of $str1. So then followed by that apply the break statement. Okay, so then check here. From the hello CSC only H is converted into uppercase. Okay, the same thing even we can apply for all the characters in each and every word here. Okay, so now we can here use the UC words, converting first character of each word in $str1 into uppercase. Instead of using UC first, now you can use UC words here. So here converting the first character of each word into uppercase. If you see here, H is converted into capital, C is also converted into capital here. So after that one you can go with string comparison. So string comparison you can do here, so with the help of something like strcmp. So check here are $str1 and $str2 equal. So if they are equal, you have to get the output as 0. Otherwise you have to get as either it may be -1 or 1. strcmp of $str1 $str2. So then use break statement. Okay, so since both are not equal here, either you will get here -1 or 1. So here you got the output as 1, means both are not equal here. So then followed by that you can use here, so string replace and as well as string position. So echo, so suppose I want to replace here CSC with ECE in case of string 1. So here you can write down as after replacing CSC with ECE in $str1 or in str1 string is, okay, you can write down as str underscore replace of, so source characters we want to replace is CSC, you want to replace with ECE, and as well as you have to apply this effect in str1. Okay, so then after that one you have to here keep the break statement. Okay, so now see the impact here. After replacing CSC with ECE in str1, string is hello ECE. Previously it was hello CSC. Now you got the output as hello ECE here. Okay, so after that one check the position of the CSC string within string 1 here. Okay, so substring CSC position we want to here check within str1 here. Echo CSC exists at the position, CSC exists in $str1 at position, you can give like this. Okay, so str pos of, first you have to give the string name $str1, the substring, so substring you have to check is CSC. Okay, so then use here a break tag. Okay, so it has to show the output at what position CSC is existing. It is actually at 6th position, also we discussed in the previous example. Okay, it is existing at 6th position. Okay, so then followed by that one. So the last thing we need to check is we need to here apply the strip tags for one HTML statement. So that HTML statement we have to take as a string here. Okay, so after stripping all tags in the statement, okay, the statement I am going to writing as, so strip underscore tags of the HTML statement we are going to writing is, so something like so see here the HTML statement I am going to writing is, so paragraph bold slash paragraph. So this text has paragraph and this text has no paragraph and bold tags impact. Actually this HTML tag is having two tags, that is bold and as well as paragraph. Actually you have to see this entire text in bold format, but when we apply this particular strip tags, so here it will remove whatever the tags we are having, both paragraph and as well as bold tags here, and without the impact or effect of these two tags it will display the output. You can see here without bolded text you will see the output. So here if you observe, this text has no paragraph and bold tags impact has been shown in a normal way. So here why? Because all the tags have been here removed. Okay, the same statement, so here even we can apply, so means so string strip tags can be here overloaded. So here followed by the string from which you want to remove the tag, you can also here give one more argument, so which can here represent, so from the entire tags on the given statement except which tag you want to here remove all the tags. Let us say here we are having paragraph and as well as bold tag. So other than bold tag, whatever the remaining tags we are having within this entire statement, so here we need to give that one particular tag that you want to remove. Okay, so remove in the sense here whatever the tags we need to remove, other than that tag, whatever the tag you want to keep here as easily. So that particular tag that you should not want to remove, you need to give here. So you should not remove here bold tag. So for that reason I am giving here bold tag. Okay, so in that case only bold text will be here represented. Okay, so this text has bold tag effect, you can write down here. So paragraph will be removed, only bold text will be here existing. Okay, so see the output, this text has bold tag effect. Okay, other than bold it removed all the text, all the tags in the given string. So that is about the different types of string functions we are having within PHP. Thank you.